And I messed up again. Oh my gosh. Where am I? What? I need to redo this entire OBS scene thing. No, not there. There. Is that correct now? Yes, now it is correct. Anyway, rough start. Like normal. Okay. Ooh. That should be correct. Yes, that is correct. Okay, I forgot. YouTube live. Twitch is live. Cool. Things seem to be working. This never happens. Was all my behind the scenes stuff still working? Yes, it is. This really never happens. Okay, I could actually just start doing stuff. Okay, create empty. I already started a marble before, didn't I? There is. Okay, so what did I finish on this? Sprite, circle. So nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the other project. That way we have it. Did I at least give the marble gravity? I think I did. Well, I could have just checked, but running is more fun. Oh! It does have the script on it. Is that in here? Yes. Cool. So I can check that out. Skin. I don't care about that. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that I can get rid of. Unless I already got rid of most of it. Load image, apply the texture. Yep, this looks all like it's important. I think I just need to do this whole details thing. This is temporary just to make sure things work because I gotta run test. That is the wrong project. This is the right project. So marble's made. I just need to make spawners now. Cool. Marble, you can go ahead and disappear. Let's make a 2D object. What do we want it to be? I made triangles last time, and I think I'm just going to do triangles again, because triangles work. Unless I want to go make a custom texture, but I don't feel like doing that. Not 0, 20. Triangle, how big is triangle? Triangle is very small. Let's make triangle bigger. That's much better. I think I'm actually gonna make this look good. Inner, and then 2.9. I don't know how this is gonna look on a triangle, but we're gonna try it anyway. Outside, you're going to be light green. Inside, you're going to be a dark green. It looks a little weird, but technically all sides are, oh. Are they all the same? Yeah, they look the same. Anyway. triangle. I don't like the black background, but we're gonna have to work with that for now because I don't have an actual background set up. I guess I can make a background real quick. It's not too hard. That's right. And it's fine. We'll deal with black. You need your text on it, otherwise you are useless. Well, I mean, it'd work. This is just for aesthetics right now. Where is UI text? You are not. Where's the thing? You are not in the space, you're in the world. 0, 0. Oh, I know. But it's not centered. Of course it's not centered. Now it is. And that's also too big. Font size 20. That works. Yeah. Can I get rid of that? Spawner. This also needs to be put on 1, otherwise we'll have issues. And then this needs to be put on 2. I don't know what these do, but I'm gonna try it, see if it does anything. Hey, it actually did do something. How do I do that? Right? Tiling might not appear correctly because the sprite is used. Oh, so if I do that, actually, if I do that, 1 and 1, I go into here and I do 20 by 20, 1 by 1. That did nothing other than break things, so we're gonna keep it like that and call it good enough, probably. Yeah, realistically, that's fine. I'm gonna change this to an S though, because it's not set. Even though there is no portal 0. Okay, let's make this thing actually do something. Spawn manager. Actually, I want to tag this so it's easier to deal with. Add tag, custom tag, spawner. Spawner, UR tag spawner. It's gonna get confusing really quick since I call these portals, but in the code I call them spawners, but whatever. They do the same thing. Well, as of right now, they are the same thing, but I might actually make a portal. Not yet, though. Okay, so that's pretty much good. We'll just throw that in the common. So now we've got our spawner. We can go ahead and send that to the void. Let's just get it. New script. I'm like, where's the script? I can't spell. There we go. Center this, otherwise it's gonna drive me insane. You go into scripts, and this is just... I'll create a separate folder. I'm trying to keep this clean. It got really bad. Again, I can't spell. Okay, so this thing just has to handle incoming request and then tell everything, hey, do something. In theory, should be hard. In reality, it is. Actually, I probably should. I have just... Yes, I still have this. Sweet. I can just call this localhost. I have ports fine. So I still have my test code. That's nice. So now I have to remember how to do ingest Unity. How do I make Unity receive sockets? I'm just gonna make my life easy. Okay, thank you, Copilot. You made my job so much easier. This did take me forever to do, so here's V1. It sucked. There's all this clutter. I mean, it's somewhat so. There's a random empty folder. I know why that's there though, because Unity does weird things. Sounds, okay, I didn't have many sounds. There's all these just random packs. There's an images folder, Christmas stuff, backgrounds. But the worst part was all this code. It is spaghetti laid on top of spaghetti, so that's why it's getting a little bit of a redo. Okay. So this should just work. Trial and error very much. Time for the trial part. So if we run this, This isn't going to do anything on screen. It's just going to print a whole bunch of stuff out there. But in theory, we run this. We get a whole bunch of errors. I didn't save. That's a pretty good reason for it to not work. It's gonna throw a fit as soon as this is done. Yep. Oh, it's because of rename thing. There we go. Are you done throwing a fit, Unity? I see no errors. We're all good. Fudge. Okay, Copilot, please help me. I have no idea what this error is. I need to actually someday learn how to actually use sockets, but for now, Copilot works pretty good for helping me figure this out.
I thought I had it figured out. Believed in us. We were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love. Everybody else could see the way we were.
Oh, wait.
Living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we going. I don't know at all.
Saved, right? Why didn't it reload? Whatever. Hey, there we go. Oops, I didn't want to open this. I just wanted to look at this. Client message, user ID testbot7, name testbot7, profile pic that, portal 1. Cool, we're getting my JSON data from test code, which I'll probably have to change because we're no longer doing portals. We're doing, you know what? I could just hook this up to chat and we could have that. Nah, I'm not gonna hook up the chat yet. I'm gonna get this working and then we'll deal with hooking it up to chat. But I do need to edit this test script because I'm no longer doing portal, it is message, and it's just going to send the whole message over instead of filtering it. Stop test, start test, and this can just lurk in the background while I do stuff in the main thing, and we're getting messages now. The only thing is I have to convert those into we're going to convert these into strings because they're actually going to be strings, and that's going to make it easier for me to figure things out in the future. And the future is now. Yeah, now they're strings. Which technically makes things harder, but it's also how this is actually going to work. I guess I should probably go through why isn't this giving me hints? I demand you give me hints. I can't deal without them. Am I close? Find. Yes, I was close. Can I just do that, or do I have to actually put args in? What do you want? Oh, that's not what I want.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting
That makes things a bit easier.
for quite some
So,
time now. Just
aim
to see
objects,
you again.
spawners equals.
Been counting days
It's close. This needs to be an array.
to see you again.
Okay, then it's just find object with tag. And the tag is spawner. So now we have a list of all of our spawners. I'm gonna make a refresh method. Public void. I'm gonna do refresh spawners. I could probably done a better name, but that works. I'm gonna cut that out, put it down here. We're gonna move this to a global.
We got millions of reasons
Private aim objects
to let it all
spawners.
hope we're not too broken.
We're just gonna make this refresh spawners right at the start.
Stay strong. And I've been counting days to get away.
List. Oh,
To see you again. See
dropping chords.
again. Been finding ways to get away. To see you again. See you again.
Okay. Chord has been attained. Back to this. Speak all the spawners, and then. How do I get Jason? Actually, am I waiting for a response? I am.
Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
There's my message data class. Okay, this might work. I have no clue. Save. Okay. So it's probably just gonna print, yeah, just JSON data. We'll leave that for now. See if this does anything good. So, yeah, that's much better. So stop that, and now we'll actually do something. So the first thing we can do is get rid of that. We don't use it. Okay, we do use that. Send the response. Yeah, that's all good. So we don't need that. We really don't need this debug. I'll just comment it out for now because I might just want it in the future. It's fine for now. So the next thing I need to do is just do that. Let's see if I remember how to do try parse. Num is a bad thing. That's better. Int dot try parse. I don't want to do client message though. I want to do message data message. You're angry. Oh. Wait, why am I in insert mode? I could do this though. So if we get a number,
Helpless, defeated, holding on to something I've needed. I'm looking for a reason.
if we get a number, we're gonna check to see if we have a spawner. I'm just gonna refer to the spawners now. So
I'm looking for a reason. Finding out you're wanting a demon. And you took it all away from me.
I have a list of spawners, but I feel like it would probably be better to organize them into a list, or not a list, lists are slow, an array of all their IDs every time we refresh. That way we can be nice and speedy. I think I'm gonna do that. Do I want to do the game object or do I want to do the script? I think I'm gonna do the script. So I need to make the script. Spawners. So we have a spawn manager, and then we need a spawner to actually do the spawning.
I hit
We definitely don't need anything on update. I don't think we're gonna need on start. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think so. Okay, so public. Just call this no. Spawn. Call that marble. So it got rid of my what's it called in VS Code, or not VS, this is Visual Studio. IntelliSense or something, I don't know what they call it. Instantiate marble. Is that all I need? Please, that would make my life super easy, and this is just void. If that's it, this is going to be super easy, but I think I have to put more params in here. Show me the docs. I can actually get rid of that because I can get rid of that because I don't need it. I don't think this is helping. Instantiate. We'll see. I think we're good though. I can stick a name on there later if I want. Should, in theory, be it. Are you gonna throw a fit? Does not look like it. Okay, where's the prefab? Congratulations, you're getting the script. Spawner. And you have the spawn manager. I can't. There. My typing skills are getting terrible. This is gonna get confusing really quick. I'm gonna call this spawner goes, but I can do, yeah. No. Rename. Spawner goes. And a spawner. But you are a array. So where am I needing to go? Right here, spawners. Those new. Exactly what I wanted to do, and then for each. try that again. For each game spawner and spawner code. Spawners. I need an index, so for each may have not been the best way, but why are you throwing a fit? Oh, that. Component. Yeah, spawner. And that. Okay, so now I can just... I'm going to create a separate method though. This one can be private. Spawn at. No. Spawn lock. Spawners dot. Should just be spawn. Oh. Spawner. I need to put the location in. -1. Dot spawn. And I need to give it the game object. Marble prefab. And then all we have to do is try. Actually, I'm going to put the try block here. Just because it makes a little bit more sense. Catch E, I don't care if it fails. In fact, it's gonna fail quite a lot. I could just do that. Spawn at... There. That should be it. So, grab one of these. I have to do some more logic, but for now we're just gonna, whoops. This is just, in the current system, this is defined as spawner 1. We are off to a great start. Okay, let's figure out what the heck's going wrong. I'm gonna turn this one back on. And I can get rid of that. I don't care if the client connects, I care if I get data. Okay, so we're getting message data. Is there an exception going here? I guess I probably should. Just log E. Oh, it's because I don't have a game object. Did I never give the manager a game object? I just did. Except I didn't make it public. There we go. And you should be... What the heck is a marble called? Marble. Can't. Oh. Fudge. I forgot we had to do multi-threading with sockets. Sort of. I think the best way to do this is going to be to make a queue. So basically, our incoming request, it takes the results and puts them into a queue. It's gonna be cube ints. Spawn. We'll call this marble queue. Accept that. And then we will import this. There we go. So instead of spawn out, we just do marble queue that in queue, spawner ID. Take this out. And then I don't have a loop in here, so let's make one. Void. Update. If marble queue count greater than 0 for each I'm calling stuff pos and I'm calling stuff lock, but it's fine. Spawn at marble pos. Now will it work? That is a lot of spawn at marble prefab. Marble prefab. What seems to be the issue? Spawn. I'm doing instantiate wrong, I know it. No, I was doing it. I was doing it right. That seems to be the issue. Game object? Game object. It is a game object, right? Object is called game object. Assign prefab here. Marvel. Marvel prefab. Forgot to do that. That's kind of important. I don't think it's going to change anything, though. No, it's still going to throw fit. Okay, since we only have one, just do a random number between 1 and 1. Actually, I could just stop and rerun. Yes, and now we run. Wait. Hold up. What line was that? 29? Why is... Oh! New. Q int. Yeah, that would make sense now. Okay, that was a mistake. We need to rate limit this thing. It's breaking. That was a quick save. Otherwise, Unity would have 100% crashed right then. Oh my gosh, the chat overlay I forgot to fix. Actually, I'm just gonna make it so I can move it. Save that though, because I might want to do it again. Stop and rerun. Okay, did that work? Well, it's now hidden on my screen, but that's fine. I got the chat pulled up anyway. I don't have YouTube chat though. Can I move this to second screen? Nope, that made it worse. I see the window, but I can't click on the window because, oh, yeah, that would be why. I am fixing this issue right now, and no one can stop me. Okay, how the heck do I do this? Okay, I'm just gonna do the easy fix for now. There we go. Easy fix done. Okay, it's behind the thing, but it's good enough for now until I can make it better. Actually, I got that solution too. Aha, solution. That works, doesn't it? I'm gonna say that works. It looks a bit weird, but actually, why don't I just turn those off? It's fine. Back to what I actually care about doing right now, and that's doing progress on this. Okay. So, rate limiting. It's technically going to take more time to process, but Okay, don't. Nope. He's so fast. Okay, I think the easier solution is just going to be to go in here and just say you can only do 10 a second. I think that'll work a bit better. Yeah. But I don't think I have. Skin. Yeah, I should probably. I'm gonna create a player script. Or a Marvel script in this case, because there's no player. Open that up. Where's my prefab? Marble, you are going to get a script of marble. And then we're going to take this script. It doesn't have to do anything on start. This will actually get used probably eventually, maybe. Stupid. I don't know if I'm just have something configured wrong or if it's just a bug, but every single time I make a new script or something, it doesn't give me helpful tips. Transform dot. Someday we gotta get you a model. Think of how cool a program star VTuber could be. That day will probably be, if anything, if it will ever happen, it will be years. Because those things are expensive, or so I've heard. I've never actually looked up how much one cost. No, I don't want local position dot y. We're actually going to do some math f dot s. If that is greater than or equal to 100, destroy self. I think that should hopefully not kill computer. We're about to find out. Well, I severely underestimated how big this field is, but yes, it does work. We'll add another 0. That's way overkill, but the likelihood that they fall off the map is already small enough. Cool. But there's one issue, and I think you can see that, is they all fall in a straight line, so we need to make them not. Spawner. Nope, that's not how we gotta do this. We gotta create new vector 3. Actually, I think I could do a vector 2. X and Y, yeah. Vector 2. Transform dot position dot x, transform dot position dot y. How do I do this? Oh. Ah! Game object. What do you mean? Oh my gosh, why did they have to do this in the weirdest way? There. Why aren't you still happy? Happy? I think he's finally happy. How do I do a random number? Give me random number. Random dot range. Okay. I thought it would be int, but random dot range 0.2f. Actually, negative 0.2 to 2f and 0.2f. That's both inclusive, so everything is fine. But now they shouldn't go in a straight line. They should like scatter. They do in fact scatter. And now there's a bunch of raining my logos. Oh wait, I didn't do a caching. That is killing my server right now. Or did I do caching? Please tell me I did caching, so that way I can just test this without any concerns. It's skin, isn't it? Okay, there is caching. Nice. So now I need to be able to ID these so it doesn't just pick a random one. Because I only have one right now. That one's always one. But I need to tell the game that no, this is not always one. This is sometimes two. Or maybe even three. So that's going to be handled in the spawn manager. I guess there is a flaw with my current system I should probably fix. And the issue is here. So, no, that was already taken care of. I guess, yes, this will technically work. Yeah, it should always work, because I'll always go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll never start on something like 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll always start from 1, so that'll work. Actually, I'll get rid of this index too. So I guess spawners need to have they need an ID. Actually, I'm going to call this POS. ID makes more sense. We'll go ID. Public int get ID. Return ID. I just realized I can just pull that, but this is better. I'd love to make this private, but I can't. Thank you. Wait. I never actually... Does this work how I think it does? If it does. I don't think it works how I think it does, though. Get ID. Index goes away because it is now redundant. And equals SPN. Cool, so now I should be able to tell stuff. Hey, you're not one. So if we go back into here, this should now have an ID. Yes, you are one. It's not going to update the text on here because I haven't wrote that logic yet. But if we duplicate, we call you 2. I'm just going to put that over there. We should only get ones in the middle column. That seems to have broken literally everything. That's redundant. Ah. Issue has been corrected. Now. That's not 1. That is 1. Okay. 1, 2. Here, we'll make this nice and easy for us to figure out. Spawner 1. They're all spawning at 1. So now if I just take... Oh, I've got to... Okay, I got to fix that right now. Build profiles. Layer settings. Run in background. That's what I want. So now... If I click off the screen, yes, it still runs. Okay, so they're all spawning at... I have to fix that issue, but that's fine. Actually, that's kind of what I wanted to do. But now if I change both these from 1s to 2s, and then we click the restart button, they should all, yep, they're all on 2. And if we tell everything to just pick a random one, they should go on both. Cool. We have spawners. I'm kind of tempted to hook this up to chat, see if it works. You know what I say? Why not? Stop test. I'm not gonna do both. I'll just do Twitch chat for now. Because Twitch chat is easier to deal with than YouTube. EFPs don't exist on Twitch, sadly, so it's not gonna work for now, but oops. Okay, will this do anything? Not gonna be honest, I'm surprised it didn't. Exception occurred, timed out. Oh, I gotta click start. Two. Hey, it does work. Okay, we're halfway there. We've got the mechanic done. Now I just have to make the levels, also known as the hard part. What happens if I send something that's not a number? This is not a number. Okay, it just throws a fit. I guess I am now actually giving it data, so I should probably actually work on getting like textures on the marbles other than just my logo, which I'm assigning that in skin. So, I'm instantiating the marble, so it should be quite simple actually. Not all caps. Why is caps lock on? Yeah. Game object D. And then dot get component skin. Okay, now I gotta check. What? No. Now. Go away. Now. That's the first time Unity's ever crashed on me. Well, okay, I did something stupid on the past and it crashed, but that's the first time it just normally crashed. I did something really stupid. Definitely didn't involve 10,000 game objects in one frame. Now I can go back to what I was doing. Where is prefab? Where did I put skin? I put it one layer down, didn't I? Yep. Yeah. This is simple. You just do that. I also gotta restart this so I actually do the right thing. This scene didn't save. Okay. Not the end of the world. Save. Copy that. Delete. Paste. Spawn manager. Let's check something. And then prefabs. UR1. UR2. There, 2 there. Let's make sure everything still works fine. I gotta define the script. Still nothing? Oh, this isn't in bot mode, isn't it? Nope, we'll put it back in bot mode. It's working fine at the moment. Let's change that. Because why not? It's not the right thing. I closed. That's why I can't find it. Scripts. What was I in? I was in Marble, right? No. Spawner? Yes. Update details. So now we need to go into here and we need to. Oh, this got difficult. Okay, this is going to be a queue of message data now. It is no longer a queue of ints. For each that message. Wait. We're gonna do that. I think it'll actually be useful to have that in the future. Yeah, it's throwing a fit now. And yeah, this is going to throw a fit. Whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so we go down here. We try that. Take message data dot that equals spawner ID, and then we just enqueue message data. Yes. And then passing the data there. And where's spawn at get called? That gets called here, and then there we go. Let's see if that worked. Where is the bug? 84? This didn't save. Okay. Mostly works, but we can get rid of the test. Bit of code in skin now. Yeah, that can go. So now it should just be a whole bunch of marbles with numbers. Oh, we're gonna have that issue now, aren't we? Okay. Now will it work? Yes! And it works pretty well. Taking about a second to load the image, which is expected. I can't do instantaneous loading of images. For fun. Let's get a square. Let's put a box collider on it. Let's just see. It's in fact now chaos. And then those should, yep, dude, just getting killed when they hit the white line. It just happens to be 1,000. You have been chosen for the experiment. It works both ways. It won't work if it, for some reason, flies off horizontally, but it should go up or down eventually. That's how gravity works. But I think that'll probably be it for what I do today. Here's the thing. There's the thing. Let me just push these changes before I forget to. Windows. UVC. Okay. Where's my mouse? I can never find my mouse. This is why I have the thing that lets me find my mouse. Music, you're going away. Yeah, I know, short stream, but it's just how it is today. Can't stream that long. Anyway, this is the moment when I end the stream by looking for my end stream scene. And there it is. Bye.